Alright, let's build my run and gun on the road, quick and dirty cage rig. Basically all of them, besides the HDMI cable, monitor and Rode Wireless Go and cable, it's SmallRig. Oh yeah, and the microphone there is Rode as well. Anyways, here we go. The main frame, so to speak, is this cage. By the way, I have links to all the parts below, so check them out. I have a video about this cage up on my channel as well. So parts I already have on there is the HDMI cable clamp thingy and the Manfrotto quick release plate. I have a video about this plate as well because it's nice. You don't have to remove it to mount a camera. And also I have those quick release thingies for the SmallRig shoulder strap thing as well. So I have those already on there. So first things first, camera. A7R Mark III in this case. This cage is made for this camera. So here's the good part about this nice Manfrotto plate. You don't have to remove it. You have quick access to this screw here. And the lens that I'm using for most of my video stuff is the Tamron 28-75, of course. So quick reminder, the first things, you have to open up those flaps here before you mount the camera inside, because it's tricky when you have all this stuff on there and you have not the best access to open them. So make sure you open those flaps before you mount your camera and all the accessories. Next one is this right side handle. Yeah, it's really solid, well made. It's wooden. You have a cold shoe here. You have your tool right there. You can move it up and down if needed. So this is the basic cage. Next up, top handle. This is a new one. It has this rubber material down here, so it's quite comfortable. Nice to hold, and it has the ARRI lock mechanism here. Fits perfectly here. Yeah, so far nothing fancy. This is quite common, but the trick now is the next step. I have this SmallRig handle thingy mount. I have a link below. There's another part that I have on the photo cage right now. This Rosette mount, you could use that to mount this, but sadly that doesn't fit right there where I need this arm now. But it works as well, even though you see the paint is a bit stripped here. All you need is this little mount adapter thingy. I have links as well for that. There you go, and now I mount this here. There you go. And now I have this left side wooden handle that I usually have on my big rig. I have a video about this as well. I compared SmallRig and nicey rig. And what I do now is I mount it here on the other side. There's a hidden tool here as well. I use that to tighten things up. So now I have a gunner style cage rig thingy. It really is more stable that way than having the second support with the lens. Next up is the hood, so to speak, the Matte Box. This is 50% just so it looks more legit for clients. Monitor mount. This top handle has nice options here. You have cold shoes on both sides, so you actually could mount the microphone there if needed, or there. But I'm using this SmallRig monitor mount with the ARRI lock pins. And for this lightweight setup, if it's not too bright out, especially indoors, I like this Portkeys monitor here. It's the first edition of the PT5. But what I really like about this monitor, it's lightweight. and has good options, good menu and stuff like that. So the nice thing about this monitor is you have HDMI loop through. Now the only downside of this mount with the monitor here is that you can't mount the microphone here. You have to mount it here, which is, yeah, not the best spot, but it works. But most of the time I'm using the Rode Wireless Go anyways for interviews. Yeah, there you have it. Okay, one thing about this Matte Box is I have this adapter here. This is basically like a little quick release plate, and I can put up this nice MC light thingy. I have this here and I just could put this there. So yeah, this is a nice solution if I need a bit more light. So this is a bit modified. I have the VideoMic NTG now on here. This gives me better sound. And also on this side I have a smaller arm here. It's shorter and tighter, so I have a better grip on things. And also with this setup I really like to hold it like a little baby here. So monitor here, and then also could actually put focus that way and have it a bit more stable. This is really nice to carry the camera like a little baby. Or even if you have it down here, you have more grip, it's more stable up here. So I really like the setup that way. It's not too heavy, but it's also really compact and works well. Anyways, that's it. This is my little run-and-gun rig. I have links below for other parts. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. If you have anything that I should add or change or switch up, let me know in the comments as well. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Back to work.